Hi friends, in this video we are going to convert a Woocommerce website into an Android app. This is a very beautiful Android app. This is the Woocommerce website. We are selling some fashion items and shoes, watch, etc. So we are converting this website into an Android app. You can see it's very beautifully designed website, and it have a lot of functions, and you can also make this website. So now we are discussing about the Android app. This is the icon of the Android app. We can just open the app. If you open this app, you can see a good splash screen and a very beautiful home layout, and you can see all the products by clicking view all, and the customer can see all the products of that you are selling, and you can also check how a product or works. So when you see a product page, you can see different images of the product, and you can see a review section and you can see the reviews. This is a demo site, that's why there is no review. Once you finish that, click on, there is a login option is available, and a create a sign up option also available on the website. Once you have logged with your ID, the customer can see a my account section on the app, and they can manage their orders, and they can sign out about us. All other pages also are available on there. Okay, now we can buy a product or purchase a product from this app. Once you finish that, click on continue, and you can see the billing address and the shipping address, and you can see the payment methods here. You can use the credit card or net banking with Razorpay, and cash on delivery also available. Now we are selecting the Razorpay, and you can see there is lot of available payment options are also available. You can use your debit card or credit card, and after that UPI payment methods are also available. Net banking available. There are a lot of banks available, and you can use your wallet, and pay later facility also available on your app. Okay, now just close that, and we can purchase it through cash on delivery. Click on the cash on delivery and click on continue. Okay, now our order has been placed successfully. All these things you can do without any programming or technical knowledge. We can create the app and we can upload this app in Play Store, and the main thing is this app is fully compatible with WooCommerce. So in order to do this, first we have to install Android Studio on your computer. To install Android Studio, first we have to download Java JDK. To download Java JDK, go to oracle.com and download the JDK download. Click on that JDK download option, and just select the Windows installer. Just click on that and just agree the terms and condition and download the JDK for Windows. Okay, now it's started to download. Now go to Android Studio, developer.android.com. Just click on and open the download Android Studio option, and here also agree the terms and condition and download the Android Studio. and wait for some time to get download the JDK and Android Studio. Once the Java downloaded, just open the Java and just install Java on your Windows. Just click on next. Click on next. Okay, now Java is installed. Just close that. And now open your environmental variables. Just open that. Edit the system environmental variables and click on environment variables. Here select the system variables path, click on edit, and here you can add the newly added Java JDK. Now just open your program files. Just open the C drive on your computer and click on program files and open the Java folder and select the binary folder. As you are seeing the video, just binary folder and click on OK. And now your Java is added on your system variables. Click on OK and click on OK. Once you finish that, just open your command and just open that and just type Java version, and you can see the Java version and all other details here. Okay, now our Java is installed successfully. Now we have to install Android Studio. So just open the Android Studio which we are downloaded. Just open that and wait for some time. Click on next and click on next. Click on next and click on install and wait for some time and click on next and click on finish. It will take some time. Actually this is an edited video, that is why it will fast, you can see. Okay, now missing SDK. Click on next. Click on next and we have to install all these SDK components. So click on finish and wait for some time, and once it's finished we can open the Android Studio and we can use for our app. Okay, Android Studio is installed and now we can create our project on the Android Studio. Now we can install KEYSTORE Explorer. This also a software for our computer. Just download that on this address. Just download for the Windows, KEYSTOREexplorer.org. Download from this site and install that software. This software, after running some project on the Android Studio, just click on install. Okay, once you finish that, click on finish. Now we can open the source code in the Android Studio. The link I will give the description box below. You can buy from there and just open the source code in the Android Studio. Just open the source code. Click on OK. Select the source code folder and click on OK. And click on OK. And wait for some time to get all these things, and wait for some time. It will take some time to make the Gradle build. Okay, once you finish that, we have to upgrade our Gradle. So in order to do this, go to the file and project structure and select the Gradle version to 6.6.1. 6.6.1. After that, click on OK, apply and click on OK. Okay, and now the Gradle is building. Wait for some time. It's depending upon your computer internet speed and the performance of your computer. It will take the time. Okay, now once you finish that, change your package name and version of your app. In order to do this, first click on the app and click on this Java, click on the .com section and click on this dummy name, demo name. Just right click on that demo section and you can change your package name there. Just select the refractor and click on rename and write your own name there. You can add your app name there. My app is name is Mantra, that's why I type Mantra. Just click on that and click on refractor and it's totally changing this demo name and replacing our app name to instead of that demo name, and wait for some time to get finished that, and it will take some time. And once you have finished that, we can go to the file section and we can change the package name there also, package name and version there also. Okay, wait for some time. Now our package has been changed and now we can go to the project structure and module section. Click on the file section and go to the project structure and select the modules and on their application ID. Here you can type your Android app application ID, which is your package name, and here you can edit your version code. You can add any version for your Android app. You can add one or you can add whatever you like, you can add the version. After that you can change your app icon. Just go to the resolution as you are seeing on the video. Just right click on the bitmap folder and click on new and click on image asset and open the path, and now add your logo of or icon of your app. Just select from your computer and you can see the logo images here, the different size of the images. You can just resize it according to your choice. Once you finish that, you can click next or you can change according to your choice the size of the icon. You can change here. Okay, once you finish that, click on next and click on finish. And now we can change our splash images and other images. In order to do this, just go to your source code folder and open the app folder, and you can see the src folder. Just open that, open the main, and open the resolution folder and drawable folder. Here you can change all the images and all the images, but when you change a image, make sure you should add the same name of that image. You are going to replace that image name, you have to copy that image name. Just copy the image name. If you are going to change the splash image, just copy that name and just replace that name to your new image like this. And once you finish that, just copy that and paste it on that same folder. Like this you can change all these images. Okay, now we can install WordPress plugin. In order to do this, just go to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins, click on add new, click on upload plugin, click on choose file, and you can upload the plugin on your WordPress website. Click on install now and click on activate the plugin. Now you can see the app options, click on that, and here you can manage your app from your WordPress dashboard itself. You can select the app language, and you can also select the payment method, native app method or web view app method. I recommend native app method. After that, click on the slider images, which is advertising images. You can add some banners for your website. Sorry, for the app you can add the images over there. Just upload that image. You can upload the banner images there, and once you finish that, you can add the title for the banner and the URL. If you need, you can add that also. Once you finish that, click on save changes. You can add as much banner images on here on this section. Just type a name for the banner, and you can also add a link URL. You can add any title for these sections. And click on save changes. Once you finish that, click on the social links, and here you can add your WhatsApp number, Facebook IDs, Twitter social links you can add. You can here enable and disable the push notifications, and you can here add your OneSignal app ID and API key. Now we can set up WooCommerce API for our Android app. In order to do this, just click on the asset folder on your Android Studio and click on the builder.json file. Just open that, and you can see there is an app name. You can just rename to your app name here. Just type your app name here, and you can add your website address here. You add your website address /wp-json. Just type like that as you are seeing on the video. Now you can copy the consumer key and consumer secret. In order to do this, go to the WooCommerce settings and click on advanced section and click on legacy API and make sure it's enabled and click on save changes and click on REST API section. Open that REST API and just add a key, add key. Now type a description whatever you need. Just generate API key, consumer key, copy the consumer key and paste it on the builder.json file. Just open and paste it over there, consumer key, and paste the consumer secret also. Just paste it on the consumer secret section. Once you finish that, click on save. You can save all. Okay, now we can change app name and other textures. We can change other app name. Go to the values folder and open the strings folder and open the strings.xml. Here you can change your app name and the splash screen textures and all other textures you can be changed from here. Just type rename this to demo name to your name. Your app name you can change here. Just change to your app name on the app name section and you can change your app description here. Just change the app description. You can type any name and this is the starting textures you are seeing when a customer launch our app. They can see these textures. You can change all these things and you can add your own textures and your own keywords here. Just change all these things. And you can change the descriptions. And just rename all these dummy textures and you can use. Okay, once you finish that, you can save or we can go to the next section. This on this section you can change the splash screens textures and all other textures you can change here. Okay, now we can generate the signed key for publishing our app. In order to do this, go to the build section and click on the generate signed bundle APK. Click on that section. Okay, once you click on see APK section and click on next, and we can create a KEYSTORE path. Click on that and you can choose a path for the KEYSTORE, and once you done that, just type a password for the KEYSTORE. Just type a password and make sure the same password for the confirm key alias. You can add any name for the key alias section and you can add the password for the key alias. just type the confirm and validity as it is 25 years, and you can add your first name and last name, and you can add your organizational name. You can add any name, it's depending upon you. You can add your organization, you can add your city, you can add the state, you can add any state of your, and once you finish that, click on the country code, it's in capital letter. Once you finish that, click on OK. Okay, now our key store path is successfully created. Click on OK. Now we have to download google-services.json file. In order to go to the console firebase.google.com and create a project for our app. Click on add project, and you can type a project name. You can add any name, just type your app name there and click on continue, and click on continue, and you can select an Google account, default account for Firebase, and click on create project. And now it's creating the project, and wait for some time to get the project completion. Now the project is finishing up. Okay, now our project is ready. Click on continue, and now you can see our project on the Firebase, and this is our project dashboard. Click on the Android section, click on that Android icon. On there you can add your package name, which we have changed earlier. Just paste it there, also that package name. Okay, once you finish that, you can add an app nickname and click on register app, and you can download the Google service JSON. Actually this is the debug services JSON file. We can download a signed JSON file. In order to do this, after entering to the dashboard of our Android this app, and now go to the project setting, click on that, click on the project settings section, and just scroll down and you can see the fingerprint section. You can go to the keyword explorer, KEYSTORE explorer, which we are recently installed. Just open an existing KEYSTORE, click on that and open that KEYSTORE we are created. Just open that file and click on OK, and just open that, and just open that, just open that file as you are seeing on the video. Just open and copy all this share certificate and just copy that. Just open the Firebase and add the fingerprint here. Just click on add fingerprint and paste the fingerprint and click on save. Okay, once you finish that, now you can download the updated Google services JSON file. Just download that and you can paste it on your app section, app source code file. Just paste it on the app source code. Now we can set up push notification for our app. In order to do this, just go to the onesignal.com and you can log in or you can sign up on the OneSignal, and you can create a new app for the push notification. Type your app name and select the Android and click on configure your platform. Click on that and you can choose the Firebase server key we needed. Okay, now you can see the Firebase server key. In order to get this, go to the Firebase console.firebase.com and open our app and click on the project settings, and here you can see the cloud messaging. Click on that and you can copy the server key and sender ID. Just copy and paste both of this server key and sender ID. Just paste the sender ID, copy and paste the sender ID, and click on next and select the native Android and click on next and click on save. Now you can see your app ID. Okay, we need the REST API key also, so click on save and exit this window. Just click on the leave setup and go to the keys and ID section and just copy this app ID and the REST API key. Just copy this, both this. Just open your app option on your WordPress website and you can add the app ID and REST API key. Click on save changes. Okay, once you finish that, close this. Now we can set up the payment gateway for our app. In order to do this, just go to the app folder on the Android Studio. Just click on SRC section and open the resolution folder and open the values and open the secret.xml file. Just open that. Here you can add your consumer key, consumer secret and base URL. All these things you can add. Now just open the builder.json on the asset folder. Just open that also and you can copy the consumer key secret and the app URL. You can copy from this section and you can paste it over here. Just paste it from the builder.json file. Just copy the consumer secret, copy this, just paste the consumer secret, and you can change the base URL also from the builder.json file. Just copy that also. App URL, just copy that and you can paste it on the secret.xml. And now we have to get the Razorpay key, just go to the Razorpay account and you can create a Razorpay account. Actually, I already created a video. You can select the API keys from this section and you can copy the live API key, or you can generate a new API key. Generate a new API key. Just copy that and you can copy and paste it on the secret.xml section. Just paste it there. Just paste it there. Okay, once you pasted the Razorpay key, you can also add the stripe key also you can add, but I am not going to do that. Just changing these errors, you can add stripe key also. Just change this errors, just typing as you are seeing on the video. Just click on and select this and change these errors. Once you finish that, we can release the APK. Just go to the build section and generate signed APK. Click on that. Select the APK. Click on next and click on next. Click on the release and select the APK. And it will take some time. Okay, once you see like this message, generated signed APK, you can get the signed released APK on your app source code folder. Now we can upload this to Play Store. First you have to get a Play Store account on the play.google.com console. Here you can create an account and you have to pay $25 for the developer registration fee for the Google to the Google. Once you finish that, once you are finished the payment and everything, you can create app on the Google Play Store and just click on the create app and you can add your app name and you can select the options for your app as you are seeing on the video. Once you agree the terms and conditions, just click on create app and you can see a app window, app dashboard for your app, and here you can click on the main store listing section and you can add your app name and a short description and a full description for your app. You can add or paste something for your short description and full description for your app, and you can add an app icon. Make sure all the sizes are corrected or recommended by the Play Store. Just upload it on the icon section and you can add all other icons, featured graphics, and you can add the screenshot. All the sizes will be correct, then only the image we can upload. You can upload the screenshot of the app. Just upload 1 or 2 screenshot for the app and you can upload tablet screenshot. You can upload your phone's screenshot, it's okay. Just upload that and wait for some time. Okay, once uploaded, click on save. Now you can go to the store settings section and here you can add a category for your app. As I am uploading a shopping app, so select the shopping, and you can add the tag for your app. Just type your tag, select your tab from these categories and click on apply, and you can add your email address, mobile phone, website, etc., and click on save. After that, go to the production settings, click on there, and create a new release. Click on that. You can click on create new release section, select create new release, and you can upload the signed APK which we are generated on the Android Studio. Just click on continue, and click on upload, and you can see the released APK on our source code folder. This you can see this path like this, and just uploading the signed APK, and now it's uploading on the Play Store. You can also add a release name and release notes you can add. Okay, now our APK is uploaded on the Play Store. Now we can do some setup also. We can select the countries and regions where the app is available to download. Select that, and you can select either a country or you can choose any country according to your choice. Select that and click on add, and now our app is available on all these countries. Okay, once you finish that, go to the dashboard, and we can solve all these steps one by one. Just select the app access and select the options and go to the dashboard, and you can select the next section. Click on ads, click on that, and you can choose if your app does not contain ads. Select no, my app does not contain ads. Select that and back to the dashboard, and you can select the content ratings and click on the start questionnaire. Here you can add your email address and the category of the app. This is a shopping app, so you have to choose the right category: consumer stores or commercial streaming services. Select that, click on next, and all these things select no, airlines no, and these things no, language no, controlled substances no, age restricted physical goods no, and all other things no, no, no. Select no. Okay, once you finish that, click on save and click on next, and click on submit the questionnaire. Just click on submit, and now go to the dashboard and select the target audience, and here also you can select the target audience for your app and click on next, and appeal to children, select that no, click on next and click on save. Okay, once you finish all these steps, click on news app No. Click on save. Okay, once you finish all these steps, you can publish your app on the Google Play Store. In order to go to the production settings again, select add from library, which we are already uploaded APK. Just select that APK and click on add to release. You can paste a release note on the section. Just paste it there and click on save, and you can review release. Click on that, and there is two warnings. There is no issues, just ignore that, and just click on start rollout to production. Just select that and click on rollout. Now our app is uploaded to Play Store, and the Play Store team is reviewing our app. Once it is finished, our app will be published on the Play Store. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box below.